So what we have today is a customer's repair, which is a Rotel 240. I notice it's been resprayed, and you'll probably remember the kind of metallic slate, and although that's not quite the right colour, it's nearer than doing it black. So it's one of these extensive repairs. It's not so much it's needed a lot of parts, that it's been extensively screwdrivered, so it's had to be unscrewdrivered, and that's taken some doing because of some of the things which were broken. But so this is the top of the range Cybernet, similar to the York 863 and similar to the Binatone 5-star. So quite a comprehensive thing. It's got tone low and high, which in this particular set works the opposite way around than to what the switch says. That gives it a bit of personality. Normal 4 watts, minus 10 decibel for the 0.4 watts. Channel 9 or not. Clear, which is a bit of a speech processor, or normal. CB mode, public address, and a receive delta tune, which shouldn't, with synthesized sets you shouldn't really need to do that, but it's minus a little bit and plus a little bit on the frequency. On-off volume, squelch, RF gain, mic gain, and dimmer. So all it does is dim the LED display. And of course the channel changing on the back, extension speaker, and the public address speaker. So that's just propped up on a bit of something. So we're using its internal speaker, we're using the standard mic. It's a replacement microphone, of course these are 1981 sets, so there aren't many around with the original mics these days. So Mr Chippie will be starting off from our 6.5 mile point at Rotel level crossing, and he'll be coming towards me. So he'll start off barely audible and then come back towards me. And this is the usual test where he's the wrong side of a hill, and it's our worst for radio direction. If we did this towards Nottingham, we'd get 35 miles, but that wouldn't be a good test, and we'd run out of petrol. So we do the worst possible direction, and we can compare one radio with another very easily. So although this has been on the test instruments, I always like to air test them before they go back to the customer. So I say when we did a repair video on the Rotel 240, for some reason we never did an on the air test. So there we go. So I'm just waiting for Mr Chippie to call through, and we'll start the test. Tango 21 Mr Chippie, do you copy?
Level crossing.
Tango 21 Mr Chippie, got you at Rotel level crossing. Tango 21 Mr Chippie, got you at the Greyleys turning. Got you at the Kelby turn.
Wilsford level crossing.
Roger, got you at Wilsford level crossing. Would be what we call scratchy corner, the bottom side of a hill, the wrong side of a hill, and it's very difficult even for entertainment radio. And that's fluctuating between S5 and S7, so that's pretty good going. Roger, now while I've got you at the top of the hill, this radio has a clear normal position. There's a kind of speech processor that's switched on now. I'm now going to switch it to normal, so I'm talking to you on the normal position, and then I'll switch it back to the clear position. Back at the clear position. What effect did that have over?
Normal position's got more, it's more deep, more
In that case, I'll talk to you on the normal position then.
Roger that. Coming up to Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, now just thinking about the job in hand, we've got there's a printer in the organ workshop doorway, which is probably one the company once lent you. I'm thinking about shoving that in the skip. Do you have any objection to that, over?
No, as far as I remember, that stopped working.
That's even a better reason, and then you stole one from work.
Yeah, I was given one from work. Let's get that right. And it wasn't even a work one, it was somebody's personal one that they gave me.
We'll keep that bit in the recording then.
That's a Roger.
Yeah, so there you have it. It works very well, and what more can you say? 1981 radio. It's 2019 today. This year, so it's some years old now, isn't it? Tango 21, Mr Chippie must be about coming down the lane.
Mr Chippie, just coming down the lane.
Okay, thanks for the test, and I'll see you at Tango Towers.
Roger, Chippie out.
So there you have it, the Rotel RVC240 from 1981 lives to serve its owner once again. Thank you for watching.